Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix our background noise from mic in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all go to your settings of your Windows, and after doing this set go to your systems and click on a sound. After doing this, just go down and find out a more sound settings. When it is open, go to your recordings and select a microphone. So after selecting the microphone, click on a properties and go to your level set. Now, when you go to your level set, you can select a phone is 100%, and you can also show a boost. If in my case it's not show. When you show a boost, then boost selected at 10%. So click on a OK and click on a OK button. After doing this set, close it. After doing this set, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your system, go to your sounds and click on a more sound settings. After go to your mode sound settings, click on a recordings like a microphone and click on a properties. Go to your advanced options, and after doing this step, uncheck the allow application to take exclusive control of this device. Click on apply and OK button. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.